After configuring the Hadoop, we are going to submit the jobs on the virtual machine. So for that, just go to that virtual machine. It will ask for the login. Just give Hadoop user, then press enter. After that, give Hadoop as a password, HADOP, then press enter. Once you give the Hadoop user as a username and Hadoop as a password, you will log into that Linux virtual machine, and after that it will get logged into the Hadoop desk. Before submitting the jobs in the Hadoop, we have to start the services. The services means we have to start the job tracker, data node, name track, secondary name node, and task tracker and everything. So in order to make sure that, give the command /start hyphen Hadoop. So when you give this, it says that it is already started. When it shows the messages, the data node, name node, secondary name, everything is started, means it shows the message stop. It shows the stop if it is already started. Then give cd, change the directory of Hadoop, so get it to the directory of Hadoop. Then you just go to the bin directory in which you have to restart all the services. Just go to the bin /start hyphen all.sh. It means it will restart all the services. It also shows the stop. It will be so every all the data node, secondary name node, and task node, and every nodes of the Hadoop, it is already started in this virtual machine. So it shows them as stop it first. It's now all the services are running properly. So each and every nodes, Hadoop nodes, this is a pseudo distributed Hadoop configuration. So when you submit the jobs, it will the given jobs are running in multi nodes. The nodes such as the multi-nodes such as the data node, secondary name node, and task tracker and the job task. This node will run the given task parallelly. So this is one of the parallel tasks. So actually we are going to give the map reduce process, in which all the submitted process are mapped and reduced, and it will be running in all the data and secondary task tracker and name nodes. Then we are going to give the sample job. Here I am giving the command of bin /Hadoop jar. So I am going to execute the jar examples Hadoop :18.0 hyphen examples dot jar space pi. That is the one of the job I'm going to submit. 10. These are the parameters 1000 and 000, 6 zeros. So this is the one of the simple example found in the Hadoop tool itself. So example.jars. Just after giving this command, give enter. So here all the process are getting mapped in the task mapper, and so the given processor first will be mapped. Here you can see the map 0% and 20%. So by percentage the mapping process will be done. Once the mapping process will be done, the reducing process will be taken over. So here the mapping process completed to 100%. After that the reducing process gets started. So this is the map reduce process in which the larger jobs are splitted into the many parts, and it will be run on the Hadoop pseudo configurations. That is, it will be run on the multiple nodes such as the name node, secondary name node, and task tracker and the job tracker. These are the multi nodes in which all the jobs are submitted and splitted and distributed. It is running in the parallel computing. So here our job is finished, and our estimated value of that given job pi. So just we make a pi calculation here. So it will be computed in a 5 to 2 seconds only. The another important core of the Hadoop processing is we can do the big data computing. This is our large data can be finished in a lesser execution time. So our jobs are successfully executed in the Hadoop Virtual Machine. Next, our process to binding this Hadoop Virtual Machine with an Eclipse with the help of plugin. So in order to bind this Hadoop Virtual Machine with the Eclipse by using the plugin, we have to bind it with the help of the remote IP address. So for that, just give cd slash here. In order to see the IP address, we just give the just come out of the Hadoop folder, just give cd, then give the command of if config in order to watch the IP address. Here you can see the inet address 190.168.74.128. This is the IP address of this Hadoop virtual machine, in which we are going to bind and connect with the Eclipse which is running in the Windows machine. And with the help of plugin, we can able to connect this Hadoop virtual machine, and we are going to submit the jobs virtually and remotely using this IP address through the Eclipse Europa SDK version.